see them money build house. Them money build house from scratch, from foundation come right up. Them money a St. Thomas man, a young man this full of energy and thing. Anybody want him number can get in touch with me. I go and get in contact with him. Most people know him, Darro the builder. They call him No Shirt. But I don't know if I'm with him, I see me in him shirt guys. I don't really know if at the time I get cold or what. Yeah guys, top of the morning. You don't know your boy Big Super, you know anywhere I'm at, my audience will be also. And this morning we are featuring Darro again. Darro the builder. You understand me guys? And enough for you see from the last video, Darro did I make a tile out the bathroom. Well, the bathroom finish guys, and maybe at the end of the video I will show you a clip with the bathroom where it reach. But right now Darro lay some, what you call him, Darro? Black? Backer? Baluster. I'm lay some baluster guys. And you can see so far Darro the builder. I have him look a split tail in his mouth because I build him energy and him vibes and thing. And when him done in the front of the veranda, you know guys, when him done and lay them and put them together, them going to look good. So we have some single baluster right here, and then they put together guys, and put them in a circle, and I'm do out the veranda. And if you look over this side here, you can see where him lay some already. Yeah, when him have all the material mixed up down here, and you see it guys. I don't responsible for the copyright with the music playing in the background. Can't help it. But you can see the baluster them guys where Darro lay. And they're going to make this veranda here look wonderful. Come on, you can see Darro the builder at it again. Yeah man. Watching. He might get a side look. You know when you get a look, an eye side look like.
Man, you have the eyesight people work.
Yeah. So I know. So
you have the eyesight people work, yeah.
So I know just a level.
No man, you have to look to.
You have
to level it to go and shape on the side, see if you get the same.
Yeah.
Level around it around.
You see it. And you see, I get a whole heap of requests from the last video I put up with him. So the people them to them love how him work. Some other ask for him phone number and all of them things there. So you can see him a lay the baluster and stuff. And the pattern is a pattern I realize it's not a long time pattern, it's a recent pattern this Darro. I know everybody used to the bend out and straight up one like and stuff, but them one are the more 2021 one, them one look good. And knock it with him hammer and I straighten it up. Yeah man guys. See that? Put a level on it, kind of get it. On a certain level guys. Darro, build that at it. Yeah man guys. Yeah man, once them contact me, them automatically get you. So it's a Darro the builder guys. And them guys are them people.
Yeah man, I put up a face man. Yeah man, hard at the work, you know. So we do it for the work.
Alright guys, you see Darro the builder at it. Yeah, and today you might install the baluster. Him now do no tile today. Him done with the bathroom. The bathroom almost finished up Darro.
Yeah, just look at the floor.
Just look a bit left on the floor there. Get some material and stuff. So right now Darro lay some baluster and I tell you. Darro the Builder and the Big Super Live. And you know, people, anywhere I'm at, my audience will be also. So Darro, yeah, that me I look on because you see since you put in an N1 then. Yeah, so you have to go move down the N1 closer to the wall and then move everybody and thing. Yeah. I wonder if a 6 are going on so Darren is so taller. One is so taller. Like on the side a bit taller. Like the space between the
I see him 5 rounds.
Okay.
So you drop one and here.
Okay. Right, so you see what I go on as a guys. After him dropping the N1 down in it, but I realize I'm going to make some shifting up, so that's what I do, you know. Yeah. I knock them and I put them in line. You see them money build house. Them money build house from scratch, from foundation come right up. Them money a St. Thomas man, a young man this full of energy and thing. Anybody want him number can get in touch with me. I go and get in contact with him. Most people know him, Veranda the Builder. They call him No Shirt. But I don't know if I'm with him, I see me in him shirt, guys. I don't really know if at the time I get cold or what. But he might want him shirt from with you. Let me notice. I love him shirt all of a sudden. So. But he's a man who most of the time now, no shirt. But I get the impression to run so wider. That side of the veranda, yeah, have a wider, whatever. Yeah, that's the impression that I get. I mean, I know if when the man them did make it, them never realize they might out by all 6 inches. Because if you look on the next side, you can realize the space we have around here, the space to the next side. You guys, but we can see Darren at it, Darren the Builder at it. My layer in Baluster them, and guys with the right in the midst of the thing, get the opportunity to video one of the top mason and a play mason, and the man build house from scratch, come right up. The man are mason guys, and they don't know not really perfect in the concrete world, but at the end of the day when you're done, think them to look uniform and look good. So sometimes when you get the work, you get it. You never start it, you kind of get it one.
Fuck up where you set it.
Yeah, you have to kind of set it back people, so you don't know. Darren the Builder there, see if you can put things back in a perspective, make things come back perfect and stuff. So him a doing thing, and while him there doing thing, we there video him and I highlight him. You know, Darren the Builder. Most people know Darren in St. Thomas. The man a top mason. Guys, the more you look on them Baluster here over that side there. And just lay them. The man look nice. And them now stand up and brush up it and thing, but you see them? And them style around the place you know. Most people are buy them style of Baluster here. Them around the place you know. And the man look perfect. Yeah man. The man look perfect guys. And things so. Them one there around the place. As you can see. Like you go and look more material there.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm going to say so. Remember me no build there now. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, so everything now take time and start line up now there. Yeah, everybody take time and reach which part them to go, you know. Everybody now take time and come in space. Yeah. Yeah. that? We go around on the front, go look. Okay, guys. Veranda. And you know why them did that talk about 6? I threw them runners, so them are runners are bigger. You understand me? It look like them end up with that 6 runners up. But runners, when them go runners are 5. But it have to be 5 on each side in order to look. In order to look uniform people. Same thing when you do on one side. Yeah. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, so you have to put 5 on each side in order for it look nice and jiggy. So right now, Darro the builder have it. See my go running them lever. You see that, guys? My God. Yeah. You see that? Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Alright, you hear that? Darro, have it right where you want it, you know. And it's true, have it where you want it, you know, guys. I'm going to go clean up the material, I'm going to put it, you know. But that's what I'm do, you know. Right down at the foot of it. Darro clean out the little area them. Make sure the baluster them sit down right. And you don't want the material hard up. That's why Darro, you don't want the material hard up down there. Yeah, you don't want to put yourself through all of them something there. So I'm clean with the foot of the material. You know when I get to clean out the next side.
What you got on the board?
You take off the board? Okay. So I'm going to take off the board and do it the next side, right? So everything take time to come. And so look water upon it and soften it up. Yeah. See that? And the man are making a concrete, like making a concrete, the man are know about concrete, and them are the concrete, man. You understand? You know exactly how to put concrete and lay concrete. And I tell them, if you don't want a house make from scratch, right up, around the builder. You understand what I say? And the man has been through a lot of things, you know, people. And that makes the man strong, you know. You understand me? The road, the struggle of life, make them man, you know what them is today, you know. So the man know what it is. Go through life and the rough way. So the man come up on the tight say, they must stick to them building and now make nothing. Take them off of them building journey. And the man they build all them own house already. People house them a build now. You understand? So I have to big him up, bless him up. You know what I do? Long time I do this. I'm ready, I ask him how long. He say he can't remember, so he must know. When him tour, when him hear them toenail, him do this. Yeah man, around the builder at it. Again, and we have to feature him, you know. Because a lot of people inbox me. And I said, you tell me what I do, man. I say, yeah man, a long time I do the work. If you don't want him number, you can inbox me. And I give him number. And the man is making a concrete. You know, when a man make out a concrete, you know what that means. You know everything what to do. With concrete, without concrete. And all them things. So we just take time out to feature the builder, you know. Darro. And I show you him a lay them baluster, yeah. And things. And him go on. I'm not disturb him. Him say when him finish, I'm going to take off that piece of the board where they at the front here, so. And then clean with the next side. So him use the board to kind of catch around. Right on the edge of it, him use the board to catch around. So guys, I'm come to the end of my video. I ask you to like, share, and subscribe if you are new. Thank you for following me on my journey. And remember, it's your boy Big Super, and where I'm at, that's where my audience will be also.